good afternoon. Ayan, so we're here in Camiguin Island, guys. And we're paingon mo dito karon guys sa newest food destination diri sa Barangay Kiburo, Mambahaw, guys. Gitawag nilang Utopia. Utopia, no?
Yes.
Utopia na siya. Then atong i-try guys ang ilahang mga foods dito, din ang nakatsada kang ambience, nindot ang mountain view. Just keep on watching while we are going to Utopia, guys. Ayan, so guys, for the meantime, naka-park na po, naka-plaster na, but suddenly nag-ulan gidiri sa part sa bukid mong gud ni guys ang kaning Utopia, guys. Ayan, so let's wait kay nindot mong good pud dito ang kan guys, so ang adlaw dito pa sunset mo good. Then maybe diri ra nag-ulan. Ayan, so kami lugar upat, guys. Ayan, nagulat-hulat mi nga mag-stop ning ulan diri nga part, diri nga side. Ayan. Hi guys, going na mi dito. Muna siya ang iyahang view, guys. Hi guys, ayan. So for the meantime, nami din nag-ingkod kay ulan pa manggod gitrapuhan pa dating, guys. Ayan, dahan lots of people, dahan bisita.
All I want is some tender love from you, baby. Oh, it's been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, the love from you been so long. The love, all I want, the love from you waiting. All I want, the love from you been so long. The love, all I want, the love from you. Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting?